Welcome to Denton Outdoors. Today I'm at the Fort Worth Nature Center and Refuge, and I'm hiking the Canyon Ridge Trail. Come along for the adventure. Taking a bit of a break on a bench with a nice view out in front. This trail is about a little over 3 miles one way, so I'll do a little over 6 in total. It's been really nice so far. A lot of nice elevation change, which has been really good. A few good views, but you might be able to hear the traffic. This trail is pretty close to the interstate, I think, and I can hear traffic almost the entire time, which is a bit of a bummer, but that's okay. And it's really hot out here. It's over 100 degrees, so gonna take it slow, stay in the shade, and drink plenty of water. So I made it to a parking lot that's at about 2 3/4 miles on the trail, and took a little bit of a break and then pushed on. And it should have only been another half mile of trail left, but clearly nobody had done this half mile of trail because I am just running into spider webs like crazy. So I made it to mile 3, didn't do the last quarter mile because I didn't want to deal with the spider webs. And now I'm heading back. This trail was pretty nice. I really enjoyed the hike. A lot of different up and down and elevation change. And I didn't even see anybody else on the trail, but I could tell the spider webs were knocked down on those first, 2 3/4 miles. So that was kind of nice. The only bummer about this trail was not the best solitude. I could basically hear the interstate the entire time. So that's a bit of a bummer, but not every trail is perfect. I don't know what the grasshoppers are thinking. I'm just walking along and I see them all jumping out of the way. And it never fails that one or two always jump and hit me. Almost back to the trailhead. This was not the most beautiful hike or the most secluded hike, but it was definitely a good workout. And I chose this hike because I thought it would have the most elevation change of all the hikes here, and it definitely lived up to my expectations. I feel like I got a really good workout today. This nature center has something like 20 miles of hiking trails, so I'll probably have to come back and try some of the other ones sometime, maybe when it's not quite so hot. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed the hike as much as I did. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.